Thiko ya kana ikihinga kuma Marigitari kaunti ya Nairobi mambika mugomo wa thiko mugwanja undu uria merumite kini ati no nginyagia mabataro mao maiguo nirio metikire guteaniria mugomo uyu.
And the strike continues.
Ni ndeto ituthurite urugari gatagati ga Kiama kia Marigitari na honge ingi itiganite guku mwandiki mukaru kiama-ini kia Marigitari gia KMPDU kaunti ino ya Nairobi ndagitari thuranira akiuga ati kuma mambika mugomo uyu gutire mundu wiringithitie kumaigua.
They waited for 7 days and on the 7th day they called us for negotiations. They went there and became merchants of hope. They started asking for more time to sort out our issues. We couldn't agree and then they tried to twist us to not to go on strike and we refused. That's when we left and told them that the talks have collapsed and we have started the strike.
Gatagati ka maundu maria marenda marorwo na kinyini marihi mao kuhaicio ngathi kwa amwe ao kuheo indo cia kumagitira kuongererwo kwa Marigitari gatagati ka mangi maingi na kumana na mugomo uyu umuthi ningi makiunanira njung'wa bunge-ini ya kaunti ya Nairobi na ruhonge rwa NMS Kiama kia Marigitari na ruhonge rwa kurugamirira uruti wa wira wa muingi nirio monekana hihi mabataro mao ni mekuhingio.
I think promise the doctors that when we last met.
Na makiaririria uhoro wikie marihi ruhonge rwa kurugamirira uruti wa wira wa muingi rwaheo nginyagia rucio rukorwo rwaruta riboti na uma na waraganu.
Between now and whenever we shall sign this bill, can they undertake in writing that all the medical costs of all the doctors, between now and whenever that cover shall be effective, shall be their bill?
We need to be sure that person we are paying for is in our payroll and this is their job. So we still go back. It is not the doctor's problem. Maybe it's the issue which the CSA will be sorted tomorrow. We need to know if this doctor is sick and spend 100,000 is actually in our payroll and his job group is.
And the reason why we have not gone to the payroll, we've been given information tomorrow there will be a high stake meeting which involves the AG, Solicitor General.
Ona thengia yao kurio mateanirie mugomo matigana kuhimbiria undu uyu makiuga ati mieri 26 Marigitari mamwe matari marihwo ni maingi.
So all the people who matters and the assembly leadership is here. So kindly, we are really willing to call off this strike with all this evidence that is being mentioned here. It's unfortunate, Chair, that I'll tell you, I really appreciate your intervention. But until we get a medical cover, you know, so far we don't have as we talk, isn't it? So we can't call off a strike when we don't have. Between now and tomorrow when the letter is written, we are in that window of we don't have.
Na muthi wa rucio mucemanio ungi ukiharirio gatagati ga Kiama kia Marigitari ruhonge rwa NMS bunge ya kaunti ya Nairobi oro undu umwe na ruhonge rwa kurugamirira uruti wira wa muingi niguo guthurima kana hihi mitaratara iria yaigwo muthi ni gakorwo ihingitio. Ngiribotera Kameme TV njitagwo Njeri wa Wambui.